Alright, so in this video I'm going to show how I got this material into a cabinet door. If you look behind me here, you'll see the one I screwed up on. It looks really bad. And so I did a certain method. I'm not saying this is the exact way to do it, but it worked for me, and I hope you enjoy it and maybe it'll work for you. Thank you. All right, as you can see, this didn't really work out too good. Hopefully you can see all that wrinkly. Looks really bad. You have to find out what size fits your opening of your door. But see, you can cut it like that. And I don't know if you can see that, but I try to leave a little bit hanging over. All right, so the first step is going to be to just remove it. I had used 23 gauge nails to nail this down. And yeah, so should come off pretty easy. Okay, we're going to use an iron and this, and we'll put it on the steamer. Let's see what that does. Okay, I'm going to use this. This cane is a little bit loose, about a quarter of an inch here, maybe about the same on the ends. This is the finished side. This is a piece that fits right in. Side. So first I'm going to attach this side. I'm going to use silicone so later on it doesn't shift. So there we go, put a bead of that. Okay. See that? Pretty nice.